Hello, my name is Jeff, and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Visit our website at selectmotors.com. This is a 2006 Range Rover Sport, solid black with black leather interior. Has the 19-inch wheels, Xenon headlights. This is a V8 all-wheel drive. This one is equipped with the luxury package. It's a very expensive option, much nicer leather interior, and some other upgrades as well. Has a power moonroof, wood grain trim on the inside, factory navigation, premium sound system. Both seats on the front are heated and they are power. Rear seats will fold down flat, give you lots of cargo space. Has DVD screens in the headrests, so it has the rear entertainment package. Here's a look at the rear cargo area. Has the factory partition. Here's the tools. Has a full-size spare underneath, and it also has the towing package. And here's a look at the rear parking sensors. You can also open half of the tailgate for small packages. It's very convenient. Body's in exceptional condition. There's no dings or scratches. Beautiful paint condition. There's the premium sound system, Harman Kardon. Rain sensing windshield wipers. Has a armrest you can adjust down. Still a very luxurious and stylish vehicle. It's all aluminum, built to last. Thank you for your time, and give us a call. We'd love to tell you more about this vehicle.